What's up, party people? Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be installing the Wisamic LED headlights. They're kind of the Amazon knockoff Harley Davidson Daymakers. So let's see how they compare to what's on my stock 2006 Harley Davidson Sportster 883. So let's get it going. Aside from my soul. So this is the Wisamic LED projector headlight. So it's kind of like the Harley Davidson Daymaker. Pretty sure it's pretty quick plug and play install. You guys can kind of see here. Not bad quality. Quick 3 male prong goes into. LED headlights will be a big upgrade to these really crappy halogen headlights that we have right here. So let's go ahead and get the install started. So taking this guy off is pretty easy. All you gotta do is untighten this clamp right here. It should just be Phillips screwdriver. Untighten that, unplug, and replace. Let's go ahead and take a look. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over. Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything. One eternity later. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Bam. All that work for that guy to install the new guy. So you always want to make sure the DO2 is on the top, so you know it's right side up. Or you just know the 2 high beams and then bam bam, bam bam. You know, good old stuff right there. But I always look for, if you can see that, dot SAE right there. So it should be as simple as plug in this guy in. So what I always like to do before I even put it in the housing, just give it a, just to see. Oh, that's bright. Oh, you can tell that is 1,000 times better. Oh my god, it's blinding. And then high beams. Ooh. High beams. Oh, baby. Ooh, that's money. That's money. All right, so let's go ahead and put it back in. So you'll see this notch right here. Let me bring the camera a little closer. So there's a little notch right there. It'll just fit right in that little metal piece right here. And so that's another way you can tell that you got the right orientation going. So now we're gonna finagle this back in. The best that we can. Now, and now I'm ready, I'm a man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you. Screwdriver. Just like that. A little finagling. Plug and play. But man, real sleek. These guys are next.
wanting to be LEDs. Right now they're just the blackout caps. They're still the halogens, but man, I really like how that's looking. Sleek, nice new. All right, let's give it a quick comparison to see what it's. That's bright, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to change those two so they match. But man, I'm liking the way it looks right now. Ooh, easy, quick, cheap mod. Don't know how it compares to the Harley Davidson Daymaker, but man, if you're looking just to upgrade from stock and you're on a budget, definitely check these out. I'll leave the link in the bottom. Let's admire this beauty for a second. Oh my. Yeah. LEDs. You're next. And maybe you too. Alright, I'm liking this already. Oh, it's 10 times better. I'll highly recommend this. Oh, super easy plug and play install. The Wisamic, Amazon, you know, Daymaker. Man, Amazon price, but fucking above average Harley Davidson stock quality. Let's go, party people, let's go. And it's pretty dark over here, and you know, let's look at the high beams. Oh yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Woo. Let's see, it's dark on this road. Oh yeah. And it goes out pretty far too. You know, and then high beams. No high beams. Oh yeah. I used to not like riding at night because I couldn't really see, but now, oh, I'm digging this. And I like the lights at the bottom, so you know you got a presence too, so you know you're visible to other cars as well. Okay, I like that. If you got a Sportster, I think this fits the Sportster. Some other Harley Davidsons out there too. But man, if this fits your bike and it's in your price range, and you're trying to decide between the Daymaker and, you know, this cheaper option, man, this cheaper option is definitely better than the stock when you got stock. Now I don't have the Daymaker, but you know, for those that are on a budget, definitely an upgrade. Money well spent. I'm happy. I think that's the general consensus over this Amazon budget Wisamic Daymaker, this LED headlight. It's just a good upgrade from stock. Ooh. I'm liking this a lot. Oh yeah. Money well spent. Woo! Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe, like the video. More is coming. Until next time.
There goes a sight from my soul.